Okay, ma. This is about how to identify the transaction when we are going to converting into ledger accounts. Before that, we have to give a indication which is going to be debit and which is going to be credit. So that process is already completed. So this is a confusion process. So let us again I'm giving a clear indication about the entry about the first transaction. So the first one, goods purchase from Kishore. So purchase is going to be debit according to the rule of nominal account. From Kishore is nothing but Kishore is giving according to personal account. Giver is there in debit side. So the first transaction will be converting into journal entry as purchase account data to Kishore account. Right? This is the first one. We have to enter this first day transaction into journal entry. After the journal entry, we have to convert this one into ledger account. So how we can identify the transactions are is nothing but we have account name. This is about the name of the person transaction. So we have to convert this one into ledger. Purchase account. This one is also one ledger account. Kishore account. This is also one ledger account. So this transaction will be converting into to Kishore. So the debit transaction will be converting into credit side of ledger account. That is on 2019 January 1st by purchase account. We have to write like this. Right, ma? If the name of the ledger account person name is in credit side, the debit side value will be converting into credit side of ledger account. If the name of the person is debit side and to value will be converting into debit side of ledger account. So first one is completed. And come to the second one. Cash paid to Kishore. To Kishore is nothing but Kishore is the receiver. So according to personal account, receiver is there in debit side. So I am debiting the Kishore account data to. We are paying cash. Cash we are paying. So cash is goes out. So goes out is there in real account, that will be in credit side. To cash I am writing. So here we have again Kishore account data to cash account. Once again I am repeating Kishore account data to cash. How we can convert this conversation into ledger? Kishore account data to cash account 2019 January 2nd. Right? Once again I am repeating Kishore account data to cash. So this pronouns also similar to the proforma. Kishore account data to cash account worth is 2000. First day transaction worth we are not entered, that is 5000. Right. And come to the third one. Goods returned to Kishore. To Kishore is nothing but again Kishore is receiver. Receiver is there in debit side of personal account. So goods returned means we are giving goods, that is nothing but purchase returns. Purchase returns account. Again we have to remember Kishore account we have here, that will be in debit side to purchase returns account. Kishore account data to purchase returns account, that is on January 4th, what is 1000. Right? This one is also completed. And come to the next one, that is 6th one, paid to Kishore by check. To Kishore is nothing but Kishore is again receiver. Kishore account data to, we are paying check. Check will be converting into bank. So again we have here Kishore account. So Kishore account data to bank. Kishore account data to bank account, that is on January 6th. So payment of check worth is 3000. Right? This one is also completed. And come to the next one, that is on 8th. Bought goods from Kishore. From Kishore is nothing but we are taking from Kishore. So Kishore is giving. Bought is nothing but purchase. Purchase account data to Kishore account. So we have to credit the Kishore, that will be on 8. By purchase we have to write. By purchase account, but this 1000. Right? And next one, that is on 9. Purchase furniture from Kishore. We are purchasing furniture, we have to give first preference to assets, furniture account debtor to Kishore account. Why I am crediting the Kishore is nothing but Kishore is the giver. That's the reason I am crediting the transaction. Again it will be converting into credit side 9. Furniture here. What is 5000? So all transactions are completed. Now we have to finalize the values. Underline the total pro forma. Take the two parallel lines to these total symbols. Debit value is equals to 6000. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So credit values. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 1 11,000. So the excess value is here. This value is also converting here. The least value downside of the total, that is 6,000. So after 6,000 deduction, we have to write here to balance carried down. We have to write like this. Five thousand we have to write here. Sorry. Yeah, mistake. Zero, zero, zero. Here 1 minus 1 0. So the value is 5000. This is the procedure about the preparation of ledger record, and in our next problem we are going to solve some of the logic transactions.